What if machines, not humans, could harvest millions of mushrooms in minutes? Welcome to the future of farming, where technology replaces labor and precision meets scale. In this video, we'll uncover how machines are revolutionizing mushroom cultivation, allowing farmers to harvest millions of mushrooms with precision and efficiency. The scale and precision of this technology will completely change how we think about farming. And it's happening now. Can machines really replace farmers? Let's find out. Here in Korea, mushroom farming goes beyond traditional methods. These massive farms use precision farming techniques where climate-controlled rooms, automated irrigation systems, and machine-managed environments create the perfect conditions for mushrooms to grow. The farms are designed with automated irrigation systems controlled by a central computer. These systems adjust the water flow depending on humidity levels in each room, ensuring the mushrooms get exactly what they need at the right time. And this level of precision boosts both the yield and the quality of the mushrooms. Temperature and humidity are constantly monitored by machines, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. This ensures the optimal environment for growth, all while minimizing human intervention. Machines have taken over almost every step of the mushroom cultivation process. Take the automated spore inoculator, for example. This machine ensures the exact amount of spores are distributed across each growing bed, maximizing the potential yield without any human hands involved. Once the spores are planted, everything from the growing environment to the air quality is controlled by machines, maintaining the ideal conditions for the mushrooms to thrive. The use of machines allows for consistent results, where every mushroom grows at the perfect pace. But how do they harvest millions of mushrooms automatically? The answer is precision machinery, designed to pick mushrooms without causing damage or waste. Well, here's where the magic happens. Harvesting used to be a labor-intensive task. But now, with the help of advanced robotic harvesters, millions of mushrooms are plucked with precision, speed, and care. These machines are equipped with infrared sensors, which allow them to identify when a mushroom is fully ripe. Once ready, the machine picks the mushroom without causing any bruising or damage. Each mushroom is gently placed into containers, and the process happens incredibly fast. While it once took hours of manual labor, machines can now harvest thousands of mushrooms in minutes, making it possible to harvest at an industrial scale. How fast can a machine harvest 10,000 mushrooms in an hour? Stick around to see. After harvesting, the next step is sorting. Instead of relying on human workers, automated grading systems take over. These systems use AI-powered cameras and sensors to inspect each mushroom's size, quality, and color. Only the best mushrooms are selected for sale, ensuring consistency in quality. Once sorted, the mushrooms are placed in standardized packages. The process is quick and efficient, with machines handling the packing, weighing, and sealing, all done at lightning speed. This automated system cuts down on human error and increases the overall efficiency of the farm. After the sorting process, the mushrooms are moved into high-tech drying chambers. The drying process happens rapidly, with moisture being removed without compromising the mushroom's taste or nutritional value. Thanks to modern drying technology, mushrooms retain their rich flavor, even months after they're harvested. Machines control the drying temperature, ensuring that the mushrooms dry at the optimal rate, preserving their sweet, earthy flavor and texture. This method not only preserves the mushrooms, but also ensures a long shelf life. Quality control is essential when producing millions of mushrooms. This is where machines shine. Advanced AI-powered cameras and X-ray sensors inspect every mushroom, detecting any imperfections or contaminants that may be present. The mushrooms go through a meticulous quality check, where they're scanned for defects, weighed for uniformity, and inspected for any signs of contamination. If any mushrooms don't meet the strict standards, they're removed from the process. The result is consistently high-quality mushrooms, with no human error. How does technology ensure every mushroom is perfect? Let's find out. Once the mushrooms have passed quality control, they're vacuum sealed in nitrogen-filled bags. This method helps preserve their freshness, crunchiness, and flavor by minimizing exposure to air, ensuring that the mushrooms reach the consumer in perfect condition. The packaging process is automated as well. Once packed, the mushrooms are sent to global markets, from the US to Japan and Europe. The use of packaging machines ensures that the mushrooms are sealed, weighed, and labeled with precision, and the entire operation happens faster than ever before. These advanced farming systems don't just increase efficiency, they also focus on sustainability. Leftover mushroom stems, spores, and other waste are processed in an environmentally friendly way. For example, biogas systems convert mushroom waste into energy, while composting ensures nothing goes to waste. Machines play a vital role in reducing energy consumption and water usage, making sure that the farm runs as efficiently as possible. This tech not only helps produce more mushrooms, but also minimizes the environmental footprint. Through biogas systems, mushroom farming waste is turned into valuable energy, creating a closed-loop system where nothing is wasted. Even the leftover organic matter is recycled back into the farm's operations, contributing to green energy and reducing environmental impact. Another key advantage of automation is the cost savings it provides. By reducing the need for manual labor and improving production efficiency, automated systems lower operating costs. This technology also allows farms to scale their operations, meeting the growing demand for mushrooms without sacrificing quality. Automation makes it easier to expand production without increasing overhead, enabling mushroom farms to grow more quickly and sustainably. The scalability of these technologies is a major factor in their adoption by large-scale farming operations. Mushrooms aren't just delicious, they're also packed with health benefits. Rich in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, mushrooms are a great addition to any diet. They support immune health, bone health, and are a low-calorie source of nutrition. By automating the farming process, we can ensure consistent quality and freshness, making it easier for consumers to enjoy these nutritious foods while supporting sustainable farming practices. From spore inoculation to harvesting, sorting, and packaging, machines are transforming mushroom farming in ways that seemed impossible just a few decades ago. This technology has turned mushroom farming into a high-tech, automated operation, paving the way for the future of agriculture. The next generation of farming is here, and it's powered by machines. Whether you're a farmer or a consumer, this shift will affect how we grow and consume food in the coming years. What's the most mind-blowing thing you've seen on a farm? Let me know in the comments below.